Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel an AliExpress order after payment. First, go to the AliExpress website or open the AliExpress app. Make sure you are logged into your account. Next, click on the account button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select My Orders. In the My Order section, you will see a list of all your recent orders. Find the order you want to cancel. You can use the search bar or filter option to locate it more quickly. Once you find the order, click on it to open the order details. Here, you should see an option to cancel the order. Click on the Cancel Order button. After that, go to the Message Center to inform the seller directly. In the Message Center, find the conversation related to your order or start a new message to the seller. In the message, explain that you want to cancel your order after payment. Be polite and clear in your request. For example, you can write, "Hello, I would like to cancel the order that I just placed. Could you please help me with this request? Thank you." After sending your message, submit your request. The seller should respond to your message soon. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.